Before I share the step-by-step guide on how to get the HSBC Life Plus, even if you stay outside of HSBC serviceable area, plus how to earn 10% cashback even in non-food or grocery related spends, and save up to 17,400 rupees plus many more things that you did not know about this card, let me share 4 good news first. Number 1. In a time where many cards are getting devalued, HSBC Life Plus has got a massive revaluation in many categories from July 26th, which I'll explain in this video. HSBC has finally opened up applications to self-employed people, as earlier it used to be only for salaried folks, and as a self-employed business owner myself, it's great news, as we'll be eligible for many HSBC cards which we could not get because of not having salary slips. Even I applied for the card recently. If your HSBC credit card is approved, you will get a 250 rupees Amazon Pay gift card, and I have shared the official application link in the description box below. You can also earn additional vouchers from Amazon, Swiggy, Zomato or Flipkart of up to 750 rupees. I will share how to redeem later in the video. So with 250 rupees plus 750 rupees gift cards, essentially the card is free for the first year, as it costs 1180 rupees yearly. Also, beware of various spam texts or calls that say you have a pre-approved offer of lifetime free credit card with 2 lakh or 5 lakh credit limit. Click to apply. Please never visit such links and stay safe from online fraud, as they are scams, as you can see shared by one of my viewers in the last HSBC video. Please apply from official links only. The official link I have shared in description will have a higher approval rate compared to random agents on call who sell big promises but turn out to be a scam. That's why I will never say you will get a 3 lakh or 5 lakh limit. That is something I cannot control. Only thing I can promise is the steps are legit and you will get Amazon Pay gift cards after your card's approval. So whether you should take this card or not, let's find out, starting with the features and benefits. HSBC Life Plus is the best entry-level cashback credit card for any food or grocery related spends, as it offers a flat 10% cashback up to 1000 rupees per month in any online and even offline spends like in Zomato, Swiggy, Blinkit, Zepto, Amazon Fresh, Now, etc. or even POS card swipes in any offline restaurants or even at supermarkets like D-Mart, Reliance, Star Bazaar, etc. Basically, whether it's online or offline, 10% cashback remains the same, which is great. Earlier, the 10% cashback limit was 1000 rupees per month, but from 26 July 2026, it will be increased to 1200 rupees, plus new category of shopping and utilities has been added. So now it is not just limited to food related spends, making it an even better card. So with this main feature alone, you can save up to 14,400 rupees every year in your grocery, dining, shopping or utility spends. Even in offline shopping, you will get 10% cashback. One of my viewers left this great feedback about this card, but now the cashback will be increased to 1200 rupees per month. No drama of tracking reward points or redemption, as the cashback will automatically get credited in your account. And so comment HSBC list and I'll share a detailed list of merchants that gets updated with time, where you can check which merchants give 10% cashback and which don't. It also offers a flat 1.5% unlimited cashback in all other transactions, both online or offline, except these transactions. This card also offers a buy one get one free movie ticket every month up to 250 rupees on Book My Show, but you have to book the ticket on a Saturday, but the show could be of any day, not just Saturday shows. It also gives 10% off on any events in Book My Show, which is great for concerts or live shows, plus up to 15% discount on dining across many restaurants in India using the live dining program by HSBC. It also has many other offers as shown on your screen, which could be helpful. So with just food, shopping, utility and movie ticket offers, you can potentially save up to 14,400 rupees plus 3,000 rupees, which is 17,400 rupees. And I'm not even counting other restaurant and flat discount offers. This card also offers 4 complimentary domestic lounge access without any spending criteria and comes with a 999 rupees fee, which gets waived off when you spend 2 lakh rupees in a year. In the new update, you also get 1 free international lounge access every year starting from September 2026, which is crazy. After the recent changes with the HDFC Swiggy card, I highly recommend getting the HSBC Life Plus. So make sure to apply for the card from the link in description to earn 250 rupees Amazon Pay gift card. As you can see, positive feedback from my credit card community about this card. Let me share one hack to earn 10% cashback even in non-food related spends. Guys, it's a secret, okay? Don't share it with anyone lest it gets devalued. So, every supermarket or grocery store that you buy food from, like DMart, Star Bazaar, or even local outlets that accept credit card payment will be registered with a food or grocery MCC, which is merchant category code. So, in those shops, even when you buy something apart from food, like maybe an electronic item or a t-shirt or a household item, etc., you will still get the 10% cashback. You see, when you swipe your Life Plus card in such places, the credit card company won't know whether you are buying groceries or something else, as there are no separate MCC depending on the item you buy. It's generally one merchant category, which is grocery or food related. So that's how you will get the 10% cashback even in non-food spends. If you don't believe me, do one small experiment. Take your Life Plus card, go to a nearby supermarket. Instead of buying a food related item, do a small transaction of 100 rupees or 200 rupees buying random household item like a soap or a detergent. Note down the transaction date and then check your next month's credit card bill. I guarantee you will get the 10% cashback. If you still have doubts or if you are scared of not getting cashback, then another way could be when in any of these stores, if you buy any random stuff instead of food or grocery related items, then just add a packet of chips or a gum or a chocolate or something that's a food item and then swipe your card. There also you will get the 10% cashback. Trust me on this, it's tried and tested. Even local kirana shops or grocery stores, if they are merchants in the food or grocery category, you will get the 10% cashback by purchasing other non-food items too. And this is same for even Amazon Fresh or Blinkit, Zepto, Swiggy, all those other places. Another trick that you all need to keep a secret is that if you buy anything from Zepto and add Amazon Pay gift cards in the cart and pay using the HSBC Life Plus card, you will get the 10% cashback on the Amazon gift card as well, since Zepto has a grocery MCC. Like this video if you found this tip helpful, and subscribe for many more hacks and optimization tricks using credit cards. No other YouTuber will share about this, but me, I don't care even if the card gets devalued as long as my audience is happy. When you get the HSBC card, you can earn up to 1000 rupees worth of gift cards in 2 ways. So essentially, even after paying the 999 rupees joining fee, it's technically free for you for the first year. So the first 250 rupees Amazon Pay gift voucher you will get from HSBC after you complete your video KYC and then if the card is approved. It may take some time from the bank's end, but you will get it. Secondly, you can earn up to 750 rupees total gift cards from Amazon, Swiggy, Zomato and Flipkart, which is offered by Visa network if you just spend 300 rupees or more in the very first transaction using the HSBC card after activation. Then you need to register on the Visa rewards portal, verify your card details and claim the rewards. Comment Visa and I'll share the link with you. The offer from Visa is applicable for any cards, not just limited to HSBC, even Forex credit cards. So if it's Visa Platinum, you get a 250 rupees voucher. If it's Visa Rewards, you get a 300 rupees voucher. If it's Visa Signature, then it's 500 rupees. And if it's Visa Infinite, then you will get a 750 rupees voucher. Earlier, HSBC Life Plus was issued in Visa Signature Network and now it has been upgraded to Visa Infinite, which means you will get the highest reward of 750 rupees voucher, which is again a great revaluation. You will also get many travel benefits from the Visa Infinite network as shown in the screen. Okay, so now let me share a trick on how to get any HSBC card if you stay outside of the serviceable areas listed by them, which I know is very annoying. This trick will work with any HSBC credit card, not just Life Plus. So what you have to do is, during the application process, use any of your friends or family's address staying in any of these eligible areas as your current address, and when the card gets delivered, get it couriered to your real address. Most of the time they don't do house verification. In some rare cases, if you get a call, you can say either you're out of station at that moment or you work from home. Same trick applies for the office address. Some of my community members also tried this trick and shared in comments, and I can guarantee it will work. At least this is the only way for now to get an HSBC card if you are not staying in any of these areas. Now, let's say if you have any other HSBC cards like the Visa Platinum or Rupee Platinum or the plain Visa Cashback card and you want to upgrade to Life Plus, here's what you should do. Call the customer care at this number and tell them you want to flip the card, not upgrade, but flip. And then within 2 to 3 days, your card will be approved and your old card will be blocked. If not on call, you can also mail them here using this template. Please don't fully copy paste this, modify it accordingly and send it to them. Comment below if you have any doubts. So here's the summary of all the new updates of the HSBC Life Plus credit card. Number 1, 10% cashback limit increased from 1000 rupees to 1200 rupees per month. Number 2, shopping and utilities added in the 10% cashback category. Number 3, the card is now upgraded to Visa Infinite Network instead of Visa Signature. Number 4, 1 free international airport lounge access added to the card. And number 5, you will get 250 rupees cashback on fuel spends above 10,000 rupees every quarter. So everything you need to know has been answered regarding the HSBC Life Plus card. Reach out to me on Insta if you have any questions or comment below, and don't forget to apply using my link to get extra rewards. I would highly recommend checking out this video on the best RuPay credit card of India in 2026 and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. I'm Anirban and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.